Welcome to SysTech. Today, I'll show you how to connect two computers in Cisco Packet Tracer without using a hub or switch. This is an essential networking skill for beginners, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to set up a simple peer-to-peer network in just a few minutes. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Packet Tracer. First, open Packet Tracer on your computer. You'll see a login page to Cisco Networking Academy or a blank workspace where we'll build the network. Step 2. Add two computers. 1. Look at the bottom panel and find End Devices. Click on it. 2. Now, select PCPT, which represents a standard computer. 3. Click on the workspace to place the first computer, PC0. 4. Click again to place the second computer, PC1. Now, we have two computers on our workspace. Step 3. Connect the computers with a cable. 1. Click on Connections. It looks like a lightning bolt. 2. Select Copper Crossover Cable. This is required for direct PC-to-PC connections. 3. Click on PC0, then select Fast Ethernet 0 as the port. 4. Click on PC1, then select Fast Ethernet 0. That's it. The two PCs are now physically connected. Step 4. Assign IP addresses. To allow communication, each PC needs an IP address. Let's configure them now. Setting the IP for PC0. 1. Click PC0 to open its settings. 2. Go to the Desktop tab. 3. Select IP configuration. 4. Choose Static and enter. IP address 192.168.1.1. Subnet mask 255.255.255.0. Setting the IP for PC1. 1. Click PC1, then go to Desktop IP configuration. 2. Select Static and enter. IP address 192.168.1.2. Subnet mask 255.255.255.0. Now, both computers have unique IP addresses in the same network. Step 5. Test the connection, ping test. Now, let's check if the two computers can communicate. 1. Click PC0. 2. Go to Desktop, then open Command Prompt. 3. Type ping 192.168.1.2. 4. Press Enter. If everything is correct, you'll see successful ping replies, meaning PC0 can communicate with PC1. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing to SysTech for more networking guides. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. That's it. You've just learned how to connect two computers directly in Packet Tracer using a crossover cable and static IP addresses. In next video, I'll show you how to connect more than two computers using a hub. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.